what you saw, if you guessed it right, I'm going to the city and do some flying. It's in a little part of the section called Metairie. It's going to be by the mall. So, see y'all in a little bit. Well, here we are. Right behind me is the mall. So let's go take off on this drone and see what we get. Okay? So I flew my drone, got some decent footage, but the thing is, alarm went off, high wind advisory. So I brought her home. I didn't want to lose her out here. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Sorry, it was not a lot, but you know, I don't want to lose the drone, fly it into something, I'll never get it back. You know, I'm not made of money, I just can't go out and buy another one. So, see y'all next time. Again, like I said, I'm still working on a movie or a short film called The Roommate, and it'll be out, I don't know when. But I want to do this past the time. So, see y'all next time. All right?